right guys, as we promised, the next project is the Aristo. So this does have a 2J in it. It's part in, part out, so we are obviously got a few bits that we need to fit on this. So the engine is coming out completely for this. So we're going to go over the job sheet, which is just over here. It is having a twin turbo refit. So if we look here, we've got twin turbo refit, engine sump replacement, oil pickup replacement, vac line reconnection, and a gearbox flush. So with that being said, I'm pretty sure there's some other bits as well that need to be done on it, but we'll add that to the list later on. Again, you guys will see this, just like the Yaris videos, in a section of parts. So start to finish, you'll see the whole thing. These are quite nice looking cars though, to be fair. But again, always working on Japanese cars, which is absolutely great. Great content for you guys. If you are liking this, make sure you're smashing that like button down below. Notification icon is on, and also yeah, make sure you are showing the love. So we're going to jump straight into this, pulling the engine out, and we're going to have some fun. Because Race Car Box was created for car enthusiasts by car enthusiasts, this is a monthly detailing subscription box where you can get money off and delivered straight to your door. Visit Because Race Car Box now and use the code RustyAutos10 to get your 10% off. So first off, we've got to start with pulling the engine. So it is going to have two hybrid twin turbos put back on from Toyota. Now the first thing that needs to come out is the radiator. Once that's off, obviously we then need to start looking at the exhaust. The exhaust ideally does need to come off, but first we've got to look at draining the oil. So whilst the oil is draining, we then think about the next step, which is going to be the exhaust. So you can see useless Jack here struggling to hold it on his shoulders, as he always does. He just gets through life because he's an absolute trooper. But once that's now done, we can then move on to the next step. The prop shaft is also now out of the car. So the Aristo engine is now completely out of the car, as you saw in this episode. It's also all back together. It's got the new hybrid turbos on it. The gearbox is on. It's pretty much ready to go. So hopefully in the second part of this, the car will be done for the customer and ready to go. Absolutely smashing through these. Now we're just going to take up this little opportunity here to speak to you guys. Obviously we've got the Corsa VXR raffle. When this goes up, there's probably about 150 tickets still left, so there is quite a bit. So you guys, you need to be going down in the description down below. You can also go to the website here and get your tickets. They are £15 each. Obviously the raffle is going to keep going on until all the tickets are sold. Once they've been sold, then we can then announce the winner. So once that's been done, again, the sooner you guys buy the tickets, the sooner the VXR can go away. Second note, we obviously, speaking of the Corsa VXR, we do the pillar pods. So we've got the triple pillar, which Jack is kindly passing me into shot right now. So these fit directly into your driver's side. Now we are selling these primed, but we're also selling them painted as well. There is that option. So that is the triple. Now we do also as well the double pillar. So here's the double. When this is here, obviously you can see where it sits as well. Driver's side, it's absolutely awesome. Good quality as well. This is in a hybrid primer, that's why it's just a different colour, so don't get confused. We can supply these again primed and painted. Again, website down below if you want to get them. We send them and post them straight to your door. You can come and collect them as well. So with the doubles being done, we've also, for you guys, been doing the singles. So the single pillars, for those of you that just want a turbo gauge or anything like that, without interrupting all your vents and stuff. So this is the single. It sits really nicely in the corner, so it's really nice. So again, posted to your door. They do vary in price. The most expensive is the triple, which is £100 primed, posted to your door. I believe these are £90 primed, posted to your door. So again, a little bit of material is less used. So that is obviously being progressed on. Now also as well, if you guys have got Astras, we're starting to do the little Astra vent gauges as well. So we're going to do the single, which is here. We're also going to do the double. Again, really strong material. It's not like it's cheap or anything like that. We're also at this moment in time as well working on the Astra pillar pods, so the singles, triples, doubles. We're working on the Focus ST and the RS, the Mark II, triples, doubles and singles as well. You'll probably see some few bits on obviously Fez Girls channel as well, because they obviously have the ST, the Fiesta and the Focus. So speaking on that note, again, we will be doing the Fiesta ST ones as well with Fez Girl. She's going to pop down and sort all that stuff out. So again, we are expanding the range of all that stuff that we need to do. So also as well, the sticker designs. So right here, if I just grab some of this stuff quickly. So we are doing sticker designs for people. That means we can design company logos, company names, pretty much anything. So if you've got A-boards, we can print A-boards out. We're doing it's not just text as well we do, just want to clarify this. We can do simple designs, exclusive designs, complex designs, company names, company logos. Again, we can install these on your car as well if need be. So these are some of the colours that we do from the Intense Sparkle range. So you can see there, it varies in a lot of colour. Really intense. And then we go from that to the normal chrome, and then we've got obviously all the different colours from the basics right here. Then obviously extra with the mattes, so you've got the matte, the gloss, and then you've got some extra like more like high gloss. We've also as well, while we're here, got these two. So we've got those options, and those options. So speaking on that as well, we've got these three colours, all these options here. Again, there's hundreds and hundreds of different colours that we can print in. We can pretty much do any colour. If you guys want it to match anything, pop down to us, pop in, you can sit and have something designed. We're also going to start doing a custom sun strip, so if you want a custom like little bit of text on your sun strip, all that sort of stuff, we can do it. Clothing, we're going to start doing the clothing as well, so we are progressing to that now. So if you've got a company, or you just want you've got a car group or anything like that, or even if you just want your Instagram stickers, we can print all that sort of stuff off. We can do your company logos, your company designs, and all that sort of stuff. Follow the Rusty Autos design page on Instagram, which is right here. I'm pretty sure there's going to be a link in the description for that, and also there will be a Rusty Autos designs page. Again, we do work for people, so we do custom mods, we do custom mechanics, we do pretty much any custom wrapping, partial wraps, full wraps, roof wraps. We do MOT repairs, we do engine conversions now, VXR engine forging as well. We've got somebody coming down next week for that. So again, you guys, we're offering you guys a lot of things to keep, obviously, you guys entertained at the same time. It gives us great content. The Flip series is coming back as well, so don't worry about that. We are still looking for a car. It's just took a while to get that, but that is coming. So make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. Make sure you are hitting the bell icon to make sure you're notified on when we do upload. So also check the community page. Follow us all on Instagram. Links are all down below. And yeah, any inquiries, leave a comment down below. We'll see you in the next one.